true loving fans, it's Dominic. It's always an exciting day. I know I say that a lot, but today truly is, because it's a day of firsts. First time 2024 Hobie Pro Angler 360 XR is in the water, and it feels like it's loving it. And it's the first time I've been in Mosquito Lagoon, just south of Daytona, Cocoa Beach, Merritt Island, all that area. I'm out here with 3 kayakers, also all in Hobies. I've got Ron in his Outback, I've got Troy in his Outback, and I've got Robert in his Outback. I'm rolling with the Battleship today. A lot of equipment, a lot of gear, and this thing, it's nothing to it. It's going to be a breeze. So when you're in a new area, it's always that excitement. We got here probably about 8:30 this morning. Some minor adjustments on the new yak, getting it adjusted to my feet length, rod holders and camera mounts and all that stuff you could imagine. But we're ready to go. We got a mixture of artificial, we got some live bait as well. Gonna feel out the area. Got some mangrove islands, intercoastals on the other side of this lagoon, and we're just gonna get it done. We're gonna see what we can do to get you guys great new content in a new area. Thanks as always for joining me, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We're out, guys. I'll see you in a minute. I promised someone a fish on this kayak this week. I say someone, I promised all of you. So I'm gonna do my best to get that accomplished, and get it accomplished quick. So we'll talk to you in a minute. Thanks, guys. All right, look at Troy. We were trolling to a spot where we saw these huge birds crashing. I mean, a lot of birds crashing. We're trolling to get there. Troy picks one up on the way. It's like a decent fish. Nice. That's what this is out here, I bet. He's right at it, isn't he? Nice. Guys, if you can see that in the distance, I mean, 10, 15 pelicans just crashing nonstop. Dolphins jumping. There is some, either a major amount of bait or some good fish with the bait. But I'm telling you what, we are pedaling to get there, because it's pretty good ways. We got something going on here, guys. We got a tangled mess is what we got. There's no way I'm landing this fish. Yeah, maybe I will. Got a nice trout. Yeah. Yep. Yep. It sure was. That's a pretty one there. Yeah. Good job. All right. Little guy. Look at that. Loving that. Gentle with this guy. Look at there. Nice. See you, buddy. How you like that, guys? Shrimp up your sleeve. That's like an ace up your sleeve, isn't it? Nice. Oh, this is gonna be a good one, I think, because that's a good start to a good story right there with this monster shrimp. Jumped completely up my sleeve. I hear the boys screaming. Something's happening around here. We made the right decision coming out here, guys. We sure did. You know, everyone talks about fishing them banks, fishing those mangroves. Sometimes it takes coming out here in the middle of nothing to get it done. I think I just got a hit. There he is. There he is. Little guy. Little guy. So much fun, guys. So much fun. There he is. An old catfish.
Oh, Mr. Whiskers.
First one. That's what happens when you're being an amateur and fishing that live bait.
You're no amateur, Dom.
No, but I got that live bait was very easy.
You're a Hobie pro angler, pro sponsored,
Blessed.
fishing machine.
I'm a blessed man.
Yeah.
If I don't get poked by this catfish, I'll be even more blessed. Yeah, I got you. There he is. Man, how does he destroy that thing so easy? Nasty. First one in a while. Which makes, you know what I'm gonna throw on there? The trout trick.
Good call.
Bait of the month for February.
Yeah.
If I can find it. Hey guys. So, you felt the pain of losing a fish, like a big fish? That hurts. But I don't know if it hurts quite as bad as pulling a rod out of the rod holder, excuse me, and the handle catching another rod and reel and shooting it over the side of the kayak and watching it sink to the bottom, only for you to search for a while and can't find it, and realizing it's a $250 Vanford with a TFO tactical inshore, another $150 rod. Oh my God, as some of my country friends say, you're gonna have that on some of these big jobs. But nevertheless, it hurts, and I'm gonna get back to fishing, and maybe a fish will get me over it. Thanks, guys. Wow, I just got nailed. That's a good fish. trying to get a drink. What is that? That's a good looking fish. Nice trout. There he is. He hit the crap out of it, didn't he? Yeah. Tearing the trout up today, boys. Barely hooked. He's gone. Guys, great day. Great first day on this yak for sure. Like I said, we came here to fish mangrove shorelines and all that stuff, and we're out here in the middle of the intercoastal, just to the east of Mosquito Lagoon, and we're tearing up the trout today. I bet between the four of us, we've probably caught 40 to 50, and it's just fun. Live shrimp's working, artificial's working. I think we've caught some 19s, 18s, a lot of 17s, and we're just having a good time just drifting out here. I got the slime on the boat, christened the boat. It's a gorgeous day out here, as you can see. Very, very light winds. Weather's perfect. Temperature's perfect.